18th November, a little building. What I've done in here is wrapped the copper pipe that was exposed to eliminate the riser coming through the floor. Here's what I use. You can see that rubber splicing tape. It's self-vulcanizing. Stretch it a little bit when you're putting it on, and it adheres to the pipe and will form a fluid tight bond. It's not watertight to pressure, but it should stop any corrosion on the copper pipe where it's going to be in contact with earth or sand that I'm fixing to backfill this part of the area in. Me and the wife put in our lucky coin. Always good luck when you're doing concrete work. Stick a coin down there. And so yeah, this is going to be real short. Got my concrete out of the truck. Paid for 28 bags. I love these little Harbor Freight 4-wheel dollies. They're handier and shit. 6 bags per. There's 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I got 30 total bags. That's wrong. 24 plus, no, 24 plus 5 is 29, 30, 31. So I got 3 extra bags. I didn't ask for the extra. They just wanted me to keep the busted bags. They won't put them back on the skid because they ended up throwing them away. And I helped transfer them from the skid to the truck, so they gave me a free one too, which was real nice of them. I appreciate it. So, coming along. I'll just keep pedaling away at everything. Security man's here, adding more cameras. So, about all for this one. Thank you.